Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi A4 Avant S-line 35 TDI S-Tronic. This particular model comes in the stunning Navara blue metallic paintwork. It looks super sporty and stylish from every angle, especially with the S-line styling package. From the S-line styling package, you do get matte grey elements on the front and rear bumpers, as well as the more angular side skirts, chrome window surrounds and the grey roof bars. From the 2-litre turbo diesel engine, you get 147 brake horsepower and 370 Nm of torque. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners you get these 19-inch 5-arm torso design alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that blue metallic paintwork and tying in with the grey and silver elements of the S-line styling package. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened using the key fob or with the touch of a button on the boot lid itself. This reveals plenty of boot space for your everyday essentials, as well as your weekend away luggage and your weekly family shop. The interior is finished in part leather, part Alcantara for maximum luxury, with more grey elements on the doors, and the centre armrest and tri-zone climate control gives the rear passengers the opportunity to set their own temperature in the rear. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points, so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. Moving into the front we have the S-line leather multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display on dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed in at the top, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured to your needs using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice controls and mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left is your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Underneath the climate control we have the Audi Drive Select, which gives you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, giving you different modes to choose from. Also with the buttons down here you do get the Park Assist, which brings up the front and rear parking sensors and rear view camera to make parking, even though type supermarket car park spaces, all the easier. With the dual zone climate control in the front, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and for those cold winter mornings you get 3 levels of heat on both front seats, so you can stay nice and toasty. Thank you for watching this short video on the approved used Audi A4 Avant S-line 35 TDI S-Tronic, available at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to get in contact with our sales team.